I'm returning to Gaza. Ceann Comhairle, you've expressed your horror, and the Minister has expressed her horror, and she said it's horrible to watch. But we can do something. That's why the International Court is there. And we can join South Africa, and we can stop playing politics and stop waiting for the big boys to make the decision. And we can act ethically and morally, and we can support South Africa in the case they have before the International Criminal Court. And I am filled with despair, despondency and disgust at the attitude and the behaviour of the government to date. So once again, I'm asking you now to confirm, or at least to go back to Leo, the Taoiseach, and confirm that we will support the very strong stance and courageous stance taken by South Africa.
Thank you, Deputy.
Thank you. First of all, Deputy Connolly, I said earlier that Ireland will make a decision on whether to intervene at the appropriate juncture after the court has made its order on preliminary measures. And in the past, we have never been found wanting. And I know that the Taoiseach is very much involved in this, and that any of us that watch our televisions, we see what's happening in the Middle East. It is awful. It's heart-wrenching. It's sickening. And we have done everything in terms of our diplomatic efforts at both UN, EU, the International Court of Justice, the International Criminal Court. We're in contact with the regional partners, and our focus on the core aim is that we see that the fighting has to stop, and it's something that we all feel very strongly about.